What is going on YouTube? Just helping you out here. And for today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of the Lakai Griffen XLK. I ordered these as part of the spring cleanout, and in particular, these are the black-gray colorway, and they are size 11. I will be using these to skateboard, and I will be doing a review on them once I am done skating them. Alright, let's get into the unboxing. The first thing I notice from an aesthetic standpoint is the shoe has a lot of little accent features, such as these wavy parts of the midsole. This is typically a flat and smooth piece of rubber and is usually a straight line across the top of the midsole. This rough pattern is common around the toe box, but in this shoe it goes all the way around. As you can see, still there, and on all parts of the shoe. There is also a leather accent that goes around the back half of the shoe in the ankle area. Finally, there is a nice little Lakai logo on the top of the tongue, on the heel of the insole, and in the middle of the sole. As you can see, the rubber pattern of the sole is fairly basic and looks similar to most other skate shoes. These features are my favorite because red is my favorite color. I know it is a bit biased, but I personally think it looks really cool since it contrasts well with the black suede leather, although you wouldn't be able to see them with the shoes on. As you can see, you have two gray logos, one on either side, which blends in more with the black suede leather as opposed to like the red contrasting color. Now I want to talk about the features of the shoe that appeal to me for skateboarding. First off, this extra layer of rubber that I talked about in the beginning wraps all the way around the shoe, which is nice because every skater wears down the shoe in different spots. I don't have as much of an issue with the back half, but mine tend to wear from here to here. Usually the extra layer of rubber around the toe box stops at about here, and I tend to wear a hole right here pretty quick. But these should last me longer since the rubber covers this area. Next, there are quite a few areas where they have ventilation holes. So I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there are some here. There are some right here under where the end of the laces are, and there are some right here. This is so your feet don't get too sweaty. The tongue is quite thick, but it has soft padding inside, so it should be comfortable on the top of the foot. The factory insoles seem pretty soft and able to take some pressure off your feet, and you can even feel it through this small divot in the sole. Lastly, I love that this shoe is suede leather since canvas material tends to rip a lot faster and the shoes do not last as long. Some skate shoes have stitching in this area, and that rips pretty quick and it starts to separate the layers of leather, but the stitching stops here, so I don't see that being a big issue. Overall, it feels like a pretty solid shoe. I like the look of the shoe, and it seems to have been designed well to avoid common issues that skateboarding brings to the table. So that's about it for this unboxing video. Once I finish skating these, I will do a review on them and talk about what I liked, what I didn't like, and any additional information I feel will be useful. Alright. So if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like, leave a comment if you have a question about the shoes or an idea for a future video, and lastly, please don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about my channel so I can grow and help more of you guys out. I'm just helping you out. See you in the next video.